Hello guys and welcome to Buzzle. So in today's video we're going to be going to our grandparents' house, and by the way guys, this is vlog number 1. So morning from 6:30 to 7:30 I had my Silvam class.
So my class just got over and I have to go take a quick bath.
Then my class got over and we got ready and started our journey. So our grandparents' place is like 2 to 3 hours from our place, and then after like half the journey we stopped for a coffee snacks break, something like that. And we also had this sweet thing. It was actually pretty good. It looked burnt outside, but then the taste was outstanding. I knew there was banana in it because the flavor of banana was really this thing. If I know the name, I'll just give it down over here. Then there were small stalls over here, but then we didn't buy anything. Everything was just childish. We just saw everything and then came back. So yeah, then we just started and continued with our journey. Then we finally reached our grandparents' place. The tall building that you're seeing over there, that's our grandparents' house. What is this behind you?
Behind me, friends of me.
Come on, so that's the 10th time we're going inside. I'm not coming. Bye bye. Here is empty. We used to have a lot of birds here before, but then now everything is over here.
Open it.
I won't. I'll just lock you more. Where's the lock? It's over here now.
Open.
Okay, open it now.
No, she is closing it. I'm so happy.
See, everything is complaining about you. You're being a bad girl. So yeah, that's it. We kept on playing with the birds. So this is actually a bird shed in the backyard of the house. So yeah, my grandparents are doing a bird business, like selling birds. Just because my sister just started off saying, please, I want birds, and then they bought birds, and then they were like, why don't we start a business? And then they started a business also. After we finished playing with the birds, we had a good sleep for like a very long time, and then everybody decided we'll go out for a long drive. So we went out, and in the middle we stopped for ice cream. What ice cream did you take?
Strawberry and banana.
And I took some chocolate, caramel, vanilla something. Then we reached home around 9 o'clock, and we ate our dinner. I don't remember what our dinner was. Then it became 20:25 by the time we finished eating, and yeah, the next day started.
So it's a lady.
It's a lady.
When it's
How
white,
did
it's
you? Don't slowly you keep it.
Yeah.
Where did you get it?
It was over there. I tried to catch it. It flew a bit. It again went over there. I was still trying. Then it went on that side. Somehow I was touching its wings and all, and I
You
catched
put
it.
it in the puzzle.
Slept in.
So guys, then I don't know why she was wearing a mask, but then my grandmother was teaching how to do this. I mean, you know, flowers to put on her hair. So like yeah, even my mom was learning along with my grandmother, and around 6 or 6:30 we started, and we reached home around 9 o'clock. So yeah, that's how our time went at our grandparents' house. So I hope you would have liked this video. Remember to like, share and subscribe to Buzzle. Stay home, stay safe, and take care until the next video. Bye bye. And guys, I don't think it's too late to say Happy Eid to everyone. And thanks for watching. Bye.